Welcome all to Kinematics class 12, in which we'll discuss about relative motion. So relative motion is nothing but the motion of an object observed from a reference frame which is at rest or in motion. So let's see what is the meaning of this. So just consider an example. Consider that there is an object A which is moving with a velocity 10 and there is another object B which is moving towards right with a velocity 50. And we are going to find out what about the velocity of B with respect to A. Velocity of B with respect to A represents the velocity of B observed by an observer at A. So if you are considering that there is an observer at A and he is observing the velocity of B. So with respect to an observer at A, the observer will feel that his on reference frame or A is at rest. So what we have to do is we need to keep the velocity of A as 0. So for keeping the velocity of A as 0, what we can do is we can reduce the velocity of A by its own velocity, that is 10, or we can reduce the velocity of B by the same factor. So what will happen? This A will come to rest, or we can say that now the velocity of A becomes equal to 0 and the velocity of B, that is 50 minus 10, so we can say that this B is going to move with a velocity that is equal to nothing but 40 with respect to an observer at A. So this one is known as nothing but velocity of B with respect to A, or in general we'll write it like this: velocity of B with respect to A is equal to nothing but velocity of B minus velocity of A. We are subtracting by the velocity of A, then we can keep the observer at rest. So what about the velocity of B with respect to A is known as nothing but its relative velocity. For calculation purpose, we are using only this equation, that is velocity of B with respect to A is velocity of B minus velocity of A, or velocity of A with respect to B is nothing but velocity of A minus velocity of B. Over here, remember that it's a vector quantity, so we should always go for vector subtraction. For the better understanding, we can just consider another situation. Let's say there is an object over here A which is moving with a velocity, take it as VA, and there is another object over here which is moving with a velocity, take it as VB. And our aim is to find out what about the velocity of B with respect to nothing but A. That means we are going to observe the velocity of B with respect to an observer at A. That means we need to keep the A at rest. So what we are doing is we are reducing the velocity of entire system by a factor that is equal to nothing but VA. So its velocity is also decreased by a factor, take it as nothing but VA. So now we can say that this A is at rest. Now with respect to A, we can write this B is having a velocity that is VB vector minus VA vector. So let's say according to that parallelogram law of vector addition, we can say that this will be the resultant velocity, or this will give the value of velocity of B with respect to A. So always we should go for vector calculation. So if A is at rest, then A will feel that B is moving along this direction with the relative velocity, that is known as velocity of B with respect to A. Hope so that you understood whatever the things that we discussed in this class. If you are having any doubt, please contact. Thank you.